don't necessarily contradict each other, but we have to put his statements in context. No? Unang-una, yung 20 million ton record harvest, it is only 1% higher, assuming makuha natin yon, 1% higher than what we produced in 2022. And it is almost the same volume that we produced in 2021. No? So it's not a big deal actually if we hit 20 million. No? Pangalawa, when he says we will have enough rice until the next harvest, our next harvest is in March. Yun yung dry season crop natin na tinatanim na siya ngayon. No? And then our stocks, katatapos lang ng ani natin, so we have a lot of rice now, tama siya doon. And that rice is supposed to tide us over until we start harvesting again in March. No? Ang sinabi nila, by end of December, we will have 85 to 90 days stocks equivalent. No? So that's 3 months. No? And that will bring us to March na meron pa tayong konting natira. Assuming tama yung calculations nila. And then magka-harvest tayo ng March. And then pagdating ng July, August, September, babalik na naman tayo dun sa lean months. Hanggang mag-harvest ulit tayo ng October, November, December. Ganun po yung cycle niya. We have a March, April dry season crop harvest. And then we have a October, November wet season harvest. No? So our rice has to be able to be enough to tide us in between these harvest seasons dahil wala tayong harvest during that time. No?